welcome to my bathroom again. Today we will be talking about one of my favorite lines, Valmont. And first time I was introduced to Valmont accidentally. I was on a trip to Zurich, and I landed in Zurich. My skin was so parched and so dry. And I went to one of those pharmacies in Zurich, and a lady recommended for me renewing pack. She gave me this little sample. I tried it, I fell in love with. Since then, I always wanted to work with renewing pack because, in my opinion, it is the best massage cream, and we use that in our treatments. We use it in our legendary facials where we do our lifting massage, sculpting massage, regenerating massage. What's so magical about Valmont renewing pack and face scrub, for example, it can be used on anyone, any skin type. And as you know me by now, I love products that are suitable for any skin type. And because most skin needs hydration, needs regeneration, needs good oxygenation, good circulation. So these products are helping us with that. All right, so the first step, I will demonstrate how to use a scrub. I always use a little spatula just to prevent double dipping and contamination. I like to apply a scrub on the dry skin. So with scrub, you want to start with the small circular movements. Then I like to add a little bit of water. You never want to pull on the skin. You want to touch the skin nice and deep, but not painful, but without pulling. You see, I don't pull on my skin. I just press, use circular movements, not making wrinkles. If you pull, you're making lines. And a scrub like that you can do once a week. For those who have a lot of buildup, they might increase it to twice a week. It's always great to do a scrub before massage. So after cleansing and exfoliating, I'm going to use now renewing pack. And renewing pack is my all-time favorite product. As I mentioned before, we use that in our facial massage, and it's suitable for any skin type. So for massage, you need a pretty ample amount. I warm up in my hands, and I press into my skin, making sure I'm applying everywhere, including my lip, around the eyes, over the eyelids, down your neck, pressing, pressing, pressing. If you have puffy face or your face is just doesn't have a vibrancy, you might be, your lymph nodes might be stuck a little bit, and it's great to do a lymphatic drainage. So you start in the back of your neck and slide down the clavicle and pulse. 3 times, repeating. Your chin and down. 3 times each movement and down. Around your eyes, you use your middle finger. You start at the top of your eyebrows, slide down, and then pump. Small little moves. This way you don't tug on the skin, you don't. 3 times. Sliding 3 times. And removing all. Now I'm going to show you a few tricks how to massage your face, where you lift and shape and sculpt and contour. So you create a V shape and a touch. 3 times. Now you can start massaging upwards. Always upwards. Remembering our facial muscles. Our face has 55 muscles, and you want to work with each of them. You want to work at insertion, and the attachment of the muscle is at the end of our hairline, at the beginning of our hairline actually, and then so you want to make sure you attach here. So you always want to work and support your skin, so you do a V and then massage. So a little V and massage. So you can do a little tapping, you can do a little pinching. All those moves are available, except when you're learning, it's a little bit like learning to drive. At first you go slow. What's so magical about renewing back, you start noticing that there is, it almost becomes like a light gommage. This is the way I do my washcloth. I press. It's never warm, it's never hot. It's kind of lukewarm. So Valmont has the best collagen sheet masks and eye patches. The reason is because they use pure grade, medical grade collagen, and you saturate with serum that is super potent. So not all sheet masks are created equal. Place your mask right under the eye, and then it has to fit perfectly. Okay, so flattening. Sometimes I use a little spatula to make sure that it's all smooth. So you want to open it, hold it together, start from the top. The best is to lie down to do this mask. So collagen mask you leave on the face for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes you can remove and you can cut up into pieces and use on the back of your hands as a collagen treatment. Nothing goes to waste. You can also use on your neck, farther down your neck. You keep reusing it until it's done. So after a scrub and renewing pack and collagen mask, what I'm really excited right now is about new line called EWF5. So I'm going to start with V-line first, serum, a few pumps. And since I feel like I have a little bit more lines on my neck, so I'm going to apply the V-line on my neck. My lower part of the face always needs a little extra. I also feel like I can use a little bit of V-line around my eyes for the crow's feet. And there's this one line forming on my forehead, so I'm gonna touch up it. Then I'm gonna follow up with a V shape. And the for shape, I think is pretty much everywhere. For cream, sometimes you can use V shape in the morning or in the V line at night, so it's a choice. The magic about Valmont is most of the products, a lot of ingredients are sourced from different places. Valmont, they make their own ingredients and they use a Swiss water. I've traveled to Switzerland many times and I've been to Valmont clinic and it's amazing. So moisturizer, I always use on my neck. So my all-time favorite foundation is Rosy Beige Elixir. So I'm using few drops. I will put that on anyway, so. So now I'm gonna finish up with my makeup and off I go.